Some of the benefits of dermaplaning is that it 1. Removes surface debris. 2. Gently exfoliates the skin. 3. It increases absorption of skincare products. 4. It diminishes appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And 5. It creates a healthier, smoother, and more radiant appearance, amongst other benefits. So, what is dermaplaning? It is basically the secret to super smooth skin. Alika. Would you come and carry your brother? Open up, move here, please, excuse me, please. I'm behind schedule, please. Facial dermaplaning is a procedure in which the skin is manually exfoliated to remove dead cells build-up and facial hairs, also known as pitfalls. Dermaplaning is a procedure that you could get done in a spa, okay? But in this video today, I'm going to be DIYing it. I'm going to be doing it at home with very simple, easy ingredients, products that you can find around in your house. You probably have them in your makeup box, okay? Without further ado, let's get right into this video. So I'm going to start off by cleaning my face. We always want to start with a clean base, okay? And I'll be using my Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. I'm going to have some drop of that on my cotton bud. I like to use a cotton pad, or like cotton round. I don't have any at the moment, so I'm going to be using my cotton bud. I guess that's what it's called. This thing. I'm just going to use that to clean my face. This is my face after I just had the bath, okay? So yeah, with no extra product, just normally cleanse my face in the bath. I'm gonna go ahead and analyze my face, okay, which is what you should do as well, and just make sure that we are taking note of the areas where we have like acne or pimples sticking out. We don't want to shave against those areas because we don't want to like bleed. So I have one right here. I don't have quite a lot of things sticking out. I think I have one here as well, and also here. So the idea is to stay away from that area because we don't want to cut ourselves or bleed, okay? So this is the blade I'm going to be using. It's called Tinkle. You can get any brand you can find, but this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna take out one from this pack and we will proceed. This is what the blade looks like. It has this cover and then this part that has the blade, okay? So it's advisable to always use a new one every time you have to shave because you want the blade to be as sharp as possible. You don't want to use blunt blades that you have to go over and over and over again. We are not trying to over shave the face. We just want to get those hairs and those dead skins out of the face as much as we can, but not overdo it, okay? Stop doing okay, madam. Next, I'm going to proceed to using some oils on my face. We need some sort of lubricant. Some people will use the aloe vera gel. I do not have that, but I'm torn between using the olive oil or this coconut oil or this serum from Omari Code. But I think I'm going to be using this coconut oil because it's really good for the skin. I'm just going to apply a few of that on the areas where I'll be starting from. I like to do this in sections just so I know the areas I have done and the areas that I haven't. You can just go ahead and stretch your face a little bit just so that you don't get into some wrinkled area on your face, thereby having to like cut your face and start bleeding, okay? So I'm just going to stretch my face a bit from this end and I will go ahead and start shaving. You want to be as light-handed as possible because then again, you only want to shave your face. You do not want to hurt yourself. Like I said, I'm not going to be taking out my side. I don't know what's called though. But yeah, I'm not going to be taking it out. I'm just going to be shaving out around that area and then all the way down. Whoosh, that's a lot of hair right there. But Brisky was saying, that's some massive hips right there. But whoa, you guys, this is a lot. Let me pose for a thumbnail. Whew, I think I have it. So I'm just going to proceed to shave off my face. That's what you guys want to do. And the oil just serves as a guide. Aside from it's serving as some form of lubricant to help you slide down properly. It also serves as a guide in the sense that the area that you've done, you can see that it's dry, okay? Then the other areas that you've not done is oily. Okay, I'm just gonna proceed to do that. You guys see how much hair I have just by shaving just this one part. Oh my god. So I'm just gonna go ahead and proceed with the rest part. You can also stretch out your face by making faces like this. It helps you just stretch out that area of face and help you shave better. Remember to leave out the areas where you have pimples or acne. Okay, you don't want to hurt yourself. Stay away from those areas. Can you guys see how much hair I have? Jeez, this is a lot of hair, man. Wow. Just gonna take that out. So, one thing to note about doing shaving your face is that you always want to hold the blade at an angle. Don't hold it straight against your face like this, okay? But you always want to hold it at an angle against your face and just shave, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead one more time just to be sure that we don't leave any areas, okay? I also like to bring it down to my neck region a bit. I'm going to proceed to my forehead, and for this area you want to be careful to stay away from the edges of your head. You don't want to shave your edges, okay? Just the area around your forehead, and just bring it down, and then become even more careful when you get to your brows, because you don't want to mess up your brows, okay? So I like to just lightly use the avenue to shave my brows a little bit, nothing too much, because this is not about carving my brows. You can do a little bit with your nose. So now that I'm done with one side of my face, I'm going to proceed to do the other side. Using the same oil, I'm going to go ahead and apply that to this side of my face. I don't shave my under eye area because those are really sensitive areas. I don't like to touch them. You can see how I stretched out my face just so that I can get to this area and not cut myself with the blade. You always want to have the areas that you're shaving at the time stretched out, okay? I should what?
Do my own.
I should do for you.
Yeah.
Are you going to pay?
How much?
I'm all done shaving, and you guys, you'll be shocked as to how much hair you have in your face. Like, whoa. I know it's looking somehow, but it's a lot. It's a lot. Okay, now that I'm done shaving, I'm just going to go ahead to wash my face because I feel like I have, you know, a lot of hair hanging around my face and some dead cells. Okay, we just finished exfoliating. Hello. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wash my face pretty good, and I'll be right back. And I don't repeat my blades, okay? Once I'm done with it, I trash it. Okay, so I'm fresh out of the shower, done with washing my face. I'm just gonna pat my face dry with some paper towel, or you can air dry your face if you have that time. I'm just gonna go ahead and pat my face dry. I'm gonna proceed to toning my face, and I'll be using this one from Gaza Cosmetics. I'm just gonna spray that onto my face. And I just let that dry. Now that that product is settled nicely in my skin, I'm going to proceed to this hydrating serum from Omari Code, and I'm just going to add just a few drops on my face because the toner I used before is really hydrating, so I don't need a lot of the serum. And I'm just going to massage that in with my hands, with my fingers. Properly massage that in, and I'll also let that sit for a while just so my skin absorbs all of that goodness, and I'll proceed to moisturizing. To moisturize my face, I'll be using the Omari Code moisturizer, and I'll be applying that onto my face to properly moisturize. Okay, I'll work that in, not forgetting my under eyes. Work that onto my skin, and we're almost done. And at this point, my skin is thanking me. And this is just for the roads, okay? I'm gonna go in with some lip balm, sorry, lip gloss, and we are all done, you guys. I don't know if you guys can tell, my skin looks way better now than where we're coming from. Like, my skin looks brighter and feels smoother. I don't know if you guys can tell right now, and where we started from, like all of those pitfalls in this area, they are nowhere to be found. Like, once I have makeup in now, flawless, okay, flawless. And this is what we're looking like. I definitely recommend that you have this done if you're looking for a smoother, you know, more radiance. I don't know if you guys observe, this was not what we started with, okay? I mean, I really like this now. Like, my face feels a lot smoother. It feels good, you know? It feels cleaner. I can feel like some dead skin cells have left my face, okay? I definitely recommend for you guys to try this out. If you can't get it done by yourself, of course you can go out to a beauty bar, a spa to get it done, but it does have a lot of benefit, you guys. Trust me, at least I just did it on my face, right? If it's not worth it, I can't have it on my face. Okay, so yeah, that's the end of this tutorial. Hope you guys learned a thing or two. Thank you for watching this video to this point. It does mean a lot to me. If you're a returning subscriber, you're the real G. Thank you for always stopping by. If it's your first time here, you're super welcome. Do also join the family by clicking on the red subscribe button below, and I'll see you in this video right here. Okay.